we're going to do our double leg bridge. So to start with, we're going to pop your feet up on a sofa, and although this makes it a bit harder for the back of your legs, it actually means that there's much more range for your spine to move. So it's less likely you're going to get back pain. So I'm going to get you to pop your hands by the side of your shoulder, by the side of your body, and just let your hands just settle and rest there. From here, we're going to keep the heels of your feet on your sofa to start with. Now you can use a footstool. If you're using a stack of books, make sure they're up against a wall. And if you're using stairs, then that's fine too. So from here, just press down into the back of your heel. So it's almost like you're going down towards the floor, and your bottom will start to lift up. And we want this delayed reaction. Remember, it's like your cat-cow. So as you keep pressing down, try and have the sense that your body is falling off your legs. So your legs are really doing the work here. We should start to feel the back of our body firing up, and this is particularly in the back of your thigh and your bottom. Now you're going to pause at the top, and I want you to keep that head and shoulders really nice and heavy. So it's like your breastbone is just still settled into the floor. Delay your knees in space for us and start to reach that spine back down towards the floor until you relax completely at the bottom. Now, this shouldn't be in your back. So to make sure it's not, again, I want you to press down into the floor. Feel how that switches on the back of your legs. Allow your tail to start to roll underneath. Here's our pelvic tilt. And you're going to pull your sofa towards you. It's like your heels are trying to get to your bottom. And it's like your knees are trying to shoot over your feet. That's going to give you quite a lot of opening in the front of your hips. And you may feel quite a lot into the front of your thighs as well. That's completely fine. We're going to stop at the point before you get pain. And again, the back of those shoulders should be nice and heavy. We're aiming for hip extension here. From there, keep pulling your heels towards your bottom as you roll yourself back down again, relaxing your bottom completely as you get to the floor. So a way to check whether you can do this is, has your head moved? So try and keep your head still when you're doing this. So stand into your ground, pull the bed towards you, and hopefully your spine is getting longer to come up rather than crunching, so you won't have felt too much move in your head. Again, we're trying to aim your spine along this mat, not down into it. So pull your heels to your bottom. When you feel your lowest ribs get to the floor, you're going to start to relax your bottom so we get this distribution of movement through your lower back. So remember, as we keep going, we want this to be in the back of your legs, not your back. So you stop as far as you can where you do really feel this in the back of your legs. Have you tucked your tailbone under a little bit? Have you pulled your heels towards your bum to really fire up the back of your body? And we're looking for that distribution of movement. So when those lower ribs are down, remember your lower back has a curve in, so it's not going to feel the same. Relax your bottom to come all the way back to the floor.